We're about to go to war with these rats in this house. Let's go! Where are you seeing most of the activity? Up in the attic area? Or inside the house?
Inside the house.
Yeah. Inside the house.
Yeah. So we've killed 10 rats in 6 days.
It's very impressive.
Oh yeah, look at this.
It's horrible.
Yeah. So the doctor says that she can't come back in the house until, and why is that? Just for
her health
For her health reasons, yeah.
They ate the Costco toilet paper.
Oh yes. Wow. Look at how aggressive they are right there. Okay. Holy smoke. This could be a lot of rat catching. We got to figure out how these rats are getting in. Look at this tree, this oak tree, just right over this roof line here. So they've hired multiple pest control companies, spent over $6,000. And you can tell they have screened off the vents leading into the attic space. Just smells like raw sewage. Blech. First thing in the morning. Ugh. Phew.
Why did you do it? Again.
This is all sealed up here. I mean, look at, they've sealed everything up. I can't believe that window's wide open, man. They can easily just jump in and then get into the house that way. So we're gonna have to seal that up. Hey, Anthony, you have your Sawzall? Let's start cutting these limbs down off the roof. Okay. Just take your ladder, just cut that right here. Get a skill saw. Let's see if they're really gonna do it. No way, they're really getting a Sawzall, you guys, with a long blade. What are we doing here? Oh, you found a nice long blade?
Yeah, for the tree, no?
Yeah. Which one are you gonna cut first?
Whichever one you tell me. Ha, that's a smart answer, huh?
No, not quite.
Okay, first off, guys, this is an oak tree. They're protected. You can't cut oak trees. I'm not really concerned about the tree. I was just joking with you guys.
How dare you?
Bro, we were ready.
I know.
At least we got batteries charging.
You know.
Yeah.
Gotta teach these young guys. How tight is this crawl space? Oh, it's nice. This is a beautiful crawl space. Absolutely beautiful.
One of the best I've ever seen.
Yeah, brand new insulation. It's already getting rodent tracks throughout. Large attic though. Let's get that smoke going. And if it's not the sewer rat, then we can focus on the exterior. Are you inside the attic?
Yes, sir.
Okay, start looking for smoke, man. I'm gonna go underneath the house now. Hand me the flashlight. Another rat trap deployed. Here's the kitchen area. Okay, there's a hole right there. So this is how they're getting underneath the kitchen cabinets. Nothing in the attic?
Nothing.
All right, tons of tracks here. Look at all the tracks. And then here's some debris. They're down here. The question is how are they getting down here? All the canned stuff you can leave, but anything they can chew through. That little, if I was a rat, I'd go for the pudding.
I think I'd go for these instead.
Ooh, the dark chocolate fudge.
It's making me hungry.
Dog food's gotta go. Let's use some of these in our bait tugger, see if that helps our catching rate. Set up all our rat traps. Get these all situated here. Twin traps, ultimately the best snap trap you can install in your home to get rid of these rats. I'm not just saying it. Tried everything, you guys, and these rat traps, as you can see in all our videos, boom, 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 boom. You're not seeing a bunch of rat traps flip over. You're not losing your rats. These truly are worth every single penny. All right, so here's a really important tip. If you're gonna buy our traps, don't have the peanut butter stick out of the bait tugger like this. You want to make sure that the peanut butter is compressed inside the loops like that, okay? And then you can just rub the rest on the wood, gives more of an aroma. I do see people just overbait their traps, and with our traps, you're able to put a lot of bait, but just make sure that it's inside of the loops. So you want their noses or teeth to get inside to dig and tug on these to activate these traps, okay? If you have too much bait sticking out, especially those juvenile rats, they're just gonna end up living longer, okay? It's gonna take a while for you to catch them, but see, that's how you want it right there. All right, you guys, we are ready for war. Every single one of these are completely activated and ready to go. Which one has the dog food? That one right there has the dog food. But I'm sticking to my peanut butter because it's proven. All right, let's go set them up right by those cameras in each of these bedrooms. We don't have Wi-Fi under here, so just set this bad baby. Okay, so we've isolated this little dining room area. We placed a rat trap over here. The cool part is I've got my camera right there, so I can just pan right over here to see if I caught anything and monitor this trap. But this room now is completely isolated. I don't think there's anything in here. It's pretty clear that there's no holes and stuff, but we're just not going to take any chances. And that's what's great about the twin traps. You've heard me. It stabilizes it in the insulation here. You want to keep your traps away from this wood because they'll sit right here. They'll leverage this wood, hold on to themselves, and then put their heads in here, be able to pull out. So you got to stay 3 or 4 inches off of this wood joist here. Well, we set 9 traps. It's gonna be interesting to see how many rats we get out. We got to do it fast. This lady needs to move back in.
Day 2.
All right, well, we are back, and you won't believe this. It's been almost a week and not one rat in any of the cameras. I'm a little embarrassed because I hyped this video up like we're going to war, because the homeowner did tell me they just caught 9 rats last week. And here we are deploying the best rat traps, setting up all the cameras. Literally, I'm up at 2 in the morning checking the cameras to see if there's any activity. 0. There are no rats. Absolutely nothing. Nothing. I would have thought at least this bedroom with that couch and... Look at this. No rat droppings, no movement. Plastic still intact, but this place just reeks with rat urine. We gotta get this 98-year-old lady back in, and I'm gonna do a whole nother intro here because that's what really this video is all about now. We're going to war to decontaminate this house from rat droppings and rat urine. Let's go! Whoa! Oh my gosh. Oh. They should just probably throw this refrigerator away. I mean, look at guys, these are all fresh rat droppings. Look at this bone back here. I mean, look at this. Inside the refrigerator. Just massive, massive contamination here. Can't believe we didn't even catch 1 rat. That's all rat droppings and rat urine right here, guys.
Dave, don't get so close. It's gonna splatter.
It's not gonna splatter. Oh,
I told you.
I should have kept the mask on. Just kidding. I put a little muddy dirt on my face to spice this video up, being that we didn't catch a damn thing. Well, you can see the massive difference here. Completely spotless. Anthony, look what the rat urine did to these hardwood floors. So we're really gonna have to saturate, especially right here too. Look at this. The drywall or the wallpaper soaked up the rat urine. Look at this. Really, really good. Yeah, see it? Keep hitting it for a little bit more. Yep. Good. This is good for sewage as well. So if you have sewage contamination, these guys, it's smelling so much better. This arcade game is just full of rat droppings here. Look at that. Just like new. The next big room is that rat infested room. Hope we could just take that couch and throw it all out. That's what's attracting rats, the pheromones. The smell comes out of your eaves of your roof, and it does attract rats, especially when there is a massive, massive urine odor. Should I put this on Craigslist or no?
Yeah, for free.
I'm telling you, it smells so good in here. I'd sleep in here. Oh guys, I'm excited. I've got some new products that we're rolling out that are unbelievable. They're gonna save you thousands, make your house look better. Here's a sneak peek. I can't tell you what this is yet. Okay, but look at that. Look at the design on that. These rats have given me these ideas at 1, 2 in the morning, okay? If you can guess what this is, I'll send you a free one once they're in production. Right off the bat, there's gonna be a lot of people that disagree. Oh, rats are gonna chew right through that. Put it this way, if a rat ever chew through these, we will send you brand new ones. But I guarantee you, rats will never chew through them. The other cool part, it's one size fits all. It's these bad babies right here, okay? This is 3-inch. And then there's gonna be 4 holes here so you can drive 4 spikes so birds don't sit on us if you have a bird problem, if you're close to the ocean. Okay, now, here's 1.5 inches. It'll just, look at that, drop down, 1.5 inches. Here's 2 inch right here. And it'll drop down to 2 inch. Okay, so 4, 3, 2, 1. Cap fits all, guys. No more driving stainless steel screws through your vents. Just a lot cleaner. It's not gonna have a bunch of stuff dumping down. I did leave a hole here so we can drop down a repellent so you don't have to worry about the sewer rats coming up. You get some of that stench coming through. So it's a lot of benefits to using these. Really excited about these, you guys. Whoever catches it gets all free vents caps, rodent caps for their house.
Unlimited.
Here we go. Who's gonna catch it? Oh, Enrique is the winner. Good job, guys.
Dave, do you think this video deserves the rat dance?
It's a good question, guys. This doesn't deserve the rat dance. Here's the rat urine dance.
The twins do it again. Another successful rat extermination. Job solved. We will see you on the next one.